I'm GG, listeners, filmer, and let's get right to it because we're about to go.
Go ahead, fireworks, go.
Go for it. Stand back. Sit down.
It's not.
Yeah! It's war now, homie!
Jordan, hold the phone.
It's war now!
Here in a little bit.
You're in the vlog. It's dark. It's dark. You can't even see him. There's other people here.
Round 2, let's go. Sorry, it's dark, guys.
26%. It's war. I seen a mortar go up, and then also, it's war. Cody goes, it's
Stop
war.
moving around the camera so much, bro.
What size is that? Inch and 7/8 by 12. Get back, Jacob. Jimmy, get out of there, Jim. Here it goes.
Yeah!
Fucking cat ass. Those are fucking.
Hey, let Jacob throw a whole firecracker out there.
No, let's do more mortars.
Yeah, let's just keep doing more mortars. Here we go. There's someone right there.
Come over. Sorry, it's dark. We're gonna get right to the fireworks. Continue watching, please.
If you made it this far.
Lighter, catch.
Jacob's gonna light it.
Oh!
Guys are not very.
Scary.
Don't touch that, too. Don't fucking touch that, too. That's fucking hotter than shit.
Yeah.
But it actually doesn't smell too good.
It smells like gunpowder. Did I see that? You get that on film?
Yeah, I got all 3 of them so far.
Come over here.
Coming where Cody is.
Al, you're up. Bring your cigarette.
Sorry, it's dark.
Just keep watching.
Keep watching. Let him see it. Say, I'm gonna take over.
Jacob's gonna take over right now.
What do you think, bro? Oh, go ahead.
Step back over here with me.
Oh! Oh, look at all the beautiful smoke on this.
Right, you smell that?
Oh, I have no shoes. I have no shoes.
Okay, Jordan.
You get glasses today.
He looks like Sai off of yeah, he looks like.
Wait till we tie them together and we start shooting
that it?
them at a time.
Is that it?
No, there's 2 more. Al, wait till we start tying them together. We tie 3 mortars together. Doop, doop, doop. Yeah, that's crazy. Boom, boom, boom. That's fucking.
Great fireworks. I told you, dude.
It's pretty dark. It's getting late, but we got a ton of fireworks, and we're not gonna stop here. If you stay till the end, try to stay to the end. Let's get right back to it.
Can I light it? You got a lighter? I got a lighter.
No, Joey took mine.
I got one.
I got a lighter. They got 3 lighters just right there. Send it out to the car.
Yeah, I like that. We gotta do one more so I can end the video. Look how much smoke.
All about smoke.
Intro, come on, go. Wait, come over here. Come over here, come over
New
here.
video already?
No.
I'm GG Listers, the filmer, and we only have 1 more left, so stick right to it.
Let's repeat.
Can I light it this time?
Now, hold up.
Wait.
What?
Let Jordy light one.
Jordan, get over here.
Dang. GG List gets to light it. Yeah, he's barefooted.
Do it one time.
GG Liz doing it.
Jacob.
It's GG List.
Burn you?